I can't express my feeling right now, but it's so cool seeing my country develop this much. Man, God bless this president and God bless the people. So guys, welcome to another video. We are in the street of Ouagadougou, Burkina Faso, and today I just decided to just take a walk and show you guys the street, the beautiful street of the country, Ouagadougou to be precise, in Burkina Faso, and the great work that the current president, oh God, this sun is killing me, and the great work that the government is doing right now, our government, great government, I mean Captain Ibrahim Traore. So I guess I came here today. I'm going to show you I love Ouagadougou. This is what's the area called? Karpala. Yeah, I just came to visit this beautiful, should I say, a beautiful spot for people to take picture. Nice cool picture, you know. It's so amazing because, man, I love Burkina Faso. I love Burkina Faso. The country has been developing so rapidly because the government we have right now is really doing a great work. And yeah, people love him because the most important thing is that if people love what you do, no matter how people talk down at you, anyway, you're still going to make it. People are just staring at me like crazy right now, like what the hell is the guy doing? But anyways, it is what it is. So yeah, we made it. Check this out, guys. Oh my fucking God. Oh my God, I love Ouagadougou. Isn't that cool? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. See that? Look at that. Isn't this cool, guys? Because let me tell you guys a little story about this particular spot. Around over the last 1 year, let me say a year ago, this particular area you guys are seeing, it's a dumping spot. Like people come here to dump shit, to throw garbages, to, you know, it's just like an empty spot. There's nothing. But right now, check this out. You see what the president has done? He has changed the view. And not only this spot. If you walk around Burkina Faso, well, all this runabout now, the president has been putting all these kind of beautiful signs to, you know, to welcome the people into the country. You guys are all welcome to Burkina Faso. This country is really, really developing rapidly due to the great work this president has been doing. Isn't this cool? Check this out. People are just coming. Every single day, people are coming here to pay a visit, you know. And there's a person here, there's someone taking care of the gardens. Isn't that beautiful? You guys can see, right? The place is so beautiful. And this is a bridge. This is a bridge. There's a bridge here. There's a bridge over there, right? And then, yeah, you can see how people are just coming. People are coming from every single day. I mean, every single day people are here to visit, to take pictures, snap videos, you know, do all kind of shit. But it's so amazing because I've been in Burkina Faso for so long that I came where the last time I passed this area was about, let me say, 6 months ago. Oh, sorry, about 8 to 9 months, because I wasn't in Burkina Faso. I traveled, I came back. But let me say about 8 to 9 months ago that I've came to this particular area. And check this out. This is what I found. Right. It's so beautiful. And let me tell you guys something. Let me say, there's this particular video I went and shot. I went to shoot in the biggest bridge. There's this particular video I went to shoot in this biggest bridge, because this is not the biggest bridge in the country. We have the biggest bridge. Should I say bridge? Yeah, bridge in the Burkina Faso, in Ouagadougou to be precise. When I went and shot this video, I got arrested. Yeah, doggies. I got arrested. They arrested me. Should I say the security or the police people? They arrested me because I was filming. Let me say I was filming in an unrepresented area. I was filming in a place whereby I was filming in the bridge, and that particular spot was unauthorized. I don't know. I really don't know. I was just filming the bridge because it's the biggest bridge in Burkina Faso. So why won't I show to my audience on my channel? So I got arrested because I was filming the bridge. I was told that it's not allowed because it's a government building, that it's not allowed to take videos of government buildings. So I got arrested and they had to delete the video. After deleting the video, I was held in the custody for 2 nights. I bet you I was held for 2 freaking nights. And that's not the only thing. The most annoying part is that they also deleted all my clips. All the video I shot, they had to delete everything, and they held me for 2 nights after paying some random amount of money. But I never knew, but that was so crazy. So this time around, I'm taking really careful. I'm being careful not to go near this bridge, because under it we have some security men, because all these people here, they are just taking pictures. I'm the only one trying to record here, which is kind of, because right now, that the country is kind of going through some crisis. So I won't say crisis, but we are trying to fight some terrorists in the country right now. So I can't really film some particular areas. So I'm kind of limited for places that I can film. That's the reason why I've been away on this channel for so long. But this time around, guys, we're back. And guess what? We're back strong and harder. Anything you guys want me to show you in this country, Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou to be precise, because I'm in the city. I'm in the capital city of the country. Just tell me on the comment section. I will go there and make it happen. Alright. But check this out. Isn't this cool? So beautiful. Being out here. So yeah, it has been an amazing day, and I want you guys to please do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then comment down below what you think about this government, because I'm very sure that most of you guys watching have heard about this our government called Ibrahim Traore. What do you guys think about the work he has been doing, the great work he has been doing, the development has been given the people in the country, and the peace that it has been bringing to the country? Right? Tell me guys what you think in the comment down below. And so guys, that's it. You can see it, right? I love Ouagadougou. And the reason why, let me tell you guys a really quick something. The reason why people love this president so much is because of the great work he has been doing to the country, to the people. As we speak right now, we have our own Air France. What am I saying? We have our own special Air Burkina. That's plane, full fly, which is called Air Burkina Faso, to be precise, as we speak. And he has constructed a tomato company that will produce from the farm to the factory, to the processing, to the finishing, and to the supermarket here in Burkina Faso as we speak. And also, we have free hospitals for kids. I guess for kids below, is it below 9 years old or 8 years old? I guess free hospital bills and free academy as well for kids under the age of let's say 3. I guess free education. What the hell is that? Free education. Aside that, we have an whole mining company, guys. You can check it out on the internet. I'm not capping right now. People love this man, and it's under a military coup right now. So you guys should do well to come You can just come. You know, for all African people, for all Africans, visas is free. Yeah, visas is free. But outsiders, you have to apply for visa before you can come in, which is so easy to process. And there's peace, I guarantee. There's peace in Ouagadougou. I don't know other cities, other nations, but in Ouagadougou, it's very peace, it's very calm, no problem, no issue. You can come, stay. You have beautiful hotel, beautiful places that you can visit, and you will never regret this experience. I bet you never regret, because, man, I can't express my feeling right now, but it's so cool seeing my country develop this much, man. God bless this president, and God bless the people.